Good day, Madam and Sir. My name is Regina Bena and I am 31 years old. I am married and I have 4 children. The ages are 13, 10, 7, and 4 years old. As a mother, my skills was enhanced in properly handling household chores and to divide the tasks wisely. You can trust me taking care of baby, children, as well as elderly. I can guide and make their needs at the proper time. I will make sure that they are safe and then I will love them as my own family. About my working experience, I worked in Hong Kong for 1 year and 3 months, taking care of newborn baby and a 1-year-old baby girl. The reason is my madam will take care of her kids full time. My duties and responsibilities are household chores, babysitting, child minding, cooking, and car washing.